What's up YouTube, GOI here, with another one a day, keeps the doctor away. Today we've got Yu-Gi-Oh! Fusion Forces. Tomorrow I think I will be doing Pokemon. But yeah, I don't know what's set yet. I'm going to go to the shop and see what they've got. So here we go. Come on, Invocation. Oh, it is purple, so that's a good sign. Predaplant, Squid, Drosophila. Battle Fusion, Frightful Fusion, Furful Owl, and a Greedy Venom. I've never pulled this one. Greedy Venom Fusion Dragon. One Predaplant monster plus one Dark monster whose original level is 8 or higher must first be summoned once per turn. You can target one face-up monster on the field until the end of this turn. Change that attack to 0. Also, that target has its effects negated. If this card is destroyed and sent to the graveyard, destroy as many monsters on the field as possible. Then you can banish one level 8 or higher dark monster from your graveyard and special summon this card from the graveyard. That's actually pretty dope. Yeah. I'm not sure about the artwork though. Anyway, cheers for watching guys. Remember, go check out my website www.geekout-industries.com. Use promo code yugi-tube8 for 10% off your orders. Yes. Cheers, and remember, don't freak out, geek out. About 20 minutes.